if we can learn all the beautiful things that are going on in the community and just connect them.
It's been nearly 3 years since President Donald Trump declared COVID-19 a public health emergency. Now that the crisis is winding down, millions could potentially lose their health insurance. Kayla Melander has more about the groups reaching into communities to make sure that doesn't happen.
Sometimes the healthcare system can be very overwhelming.
Community partners came together on Saturday to help connect people to healthcare providers at the Julia Carson Center.
People have not been given access fully to the resources that are available to them and may not have known where to go. And so fairs like this, health resource fairs like this, are an attempt for us to put the people and the providers together in a way that they can build relationships that hopefully will improve everyone's overall health outcomes.
The fair is held on the precipice of a benefits cliff, when hundreds of thousands of Hoosiers could lose Medicaid benefits they gained during the pandemic. Relaxed requirements allowed 500,000 Hoosiers to sign up for Medicaid, but now they may need to provide additional documentation to keep those benefits.
During the public health emergency, requirements like signing up every 6 months, demonstrating your income, a few of those kind of requirements were suspended. When the public health emergency ends, those requirements will go back in place.
The fair is a result of a partnership between IU Health and community churches. They came together to make sure people have what they need, not just in the doctor's office, but in their communities too.
The power of connection is key. Churches connecting with each other, people connecting with each other. One of the greatest dangers to a pandemic like COVID is the fact that it isolates. And when we become isolated from the people and the resources that are needed in order to maintain health over the long term.
Working for you, Kayla Melander, WRTV.
And the Indiana Family and Social Services Administration recommends anyone on one of Indiana's Medicaid programs to log into their FSSA benefits page to see if they need to take any steps to ensure they keep their coverage.